Good morning, student. Today in our first standard, we are going to learn some of the sounds of the middle words. Okay, sounds in the middle of words. So here they have given some of the example of words. You have to write those words, or you have to fill the correct letter in these words to complete them. Okay, so first of all, let us see what are these spellings. So you have to, these are incomplete spellings, you have to complete them. But yesterday we learned that if we arrange the alphabets in proper order, if we arrange the alphabets in correct order, they can become a meaningful word. So here also you have to arrange a letter so that these letters, they may become a meaningful word. Okay, let us see this. B dash G. This is a word. What is B dash G? This is a word bag. If I write A there, it will be bag. B-A-G, bag. Then cat. C-A-T, cat. J-A-R, jar. F-A-T, fan. Like this. Means the middle letter is A. In these all words, we see that the middle letter is A. Just like B-A-G, bag. C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. F-A-T, fan. M-A-T, mat. J-A-R, jar. C-A-R, car. T-A-R, tar. W-A-R, war. Like this. Miss, the middle letter is A in these all words. Then next, write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. So here what you have to do, you have to write the correct vowel. We know that in in English there are 5 vowels. Vowels means the letters that we can pronounce without touching our lips together. That is called as vowel. For example, A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels in English. When we pronounce these vowels, our lips, they do not touch each other. They are called as the vowels. Okay. For example, once again I will repeat the vowels. In English there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 main vowels, or these are the 5 only vowels in English. Okay. Now let us see how to use them. By using these vowels in different place, we can prepare different words. But here they have given the words that contain A, E, I, O, U in the middle place. For example, just now we learned the words bag, tag, fat, cat, mat. Like these words, they have A in its middle. Now let us see the word with E in the middle. B-E-D, bed. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, den. Like these words, they are called as the words having E in the middle, or they are the words that have E in their middle. Which are those words? I will repeat it once again. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, den. T-E-N, ten. B-E-D, bed. L-E-D, lead. Like this. These all words, they have E in their middle. Then again, the words with I. P-I-N, pin. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. S-I-N, sin. Like these words. They have I in the middle. So which words we have seen? We saw the words with A in the middle, E in the middle and I in the middle. Now what is remaining? O. O is remaining. So there are some words which have O in their middle, like B-O-Y, boy, T-O-Y, toy. Along with that, boy, toy, N-O-R, nor. Like these words are there. So these words, they have O in their middle. Then the words with U in the middle, they are C-U-P, cup, B-U-S, bus, B-U-T, but, T-U-B, tub, H-U-T, hut, like these words. Miss, these five vowels, we can use them. These are just simple examples of A, E, I, O, U. You can prepare many more words using these vowels, as well as you can put other words also in the middle and make the words. Understand? So, here they have given some more words. You have to match them. Like sometimes when we pronounce the word, we see that the pronunciation of same letter is different in different words. For example, when we say cat, so we pronounce a short, C-A-T, cat. And when we say vase, V-A-S-E, vase. So here A is pronounced a little longer. Okay? Vase, R, tar, like these words. So house, H-O-U-S-E, house, and Y-O-L-K, yolk, house and yolk. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Here you have to read the words and join each one to its starting sound. स्टार्टिंग साउंड से मैच करना है. कुछ वर्ड्स यहाँ पर दिए हैं स्टडी करने के लिए. सो दिस होल लेसन इज रिलेटेड विद द प्रोनाउंसिएशन, with the sounds, pronunciation, how to pronounce those words, along with that how these words or which are the middle letters of every word. Okay, I will read the words for you. V-A-S-E, vase, H-O-U-S-E, house, D-U-C-K, duck, Y-E-L-L, yell, R-O-P-E, rope, T-R-E-E, tree, H-A-T, hat, D-O-L-L, doll, V-A-N, van, T-A-P, tap, Y-O-L-K, yolk, and R-I-N-G, ring. These are the different meaningful words. Okay. So on a computer's keyboard we can see there are different letters. So those letters, they are not arranged in alphabetical order. They are arranged in different manner. That is called as the QWERTY keyboard, because upside they have the letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y. These type of keyboards, they are called as the QWERTY keyboards. Okay. So in this way we see that we can see the alphabets in mobile when you are typing something, as well as mobile keypad is there, as well as computers keypads are also there. You can see the alphabets on them, and by using those alphabets you can type new words. Okay, understand? So this is all about the words. Here we have completed this chapter. I shall send you some words from this. You have to write those words in your notebook and recite them.